Christmas Day 2024. You can see I'm a smaller guy, made 130 pounds, and I can barely get my finger in here to get this number 8 ignition coil 7mm bolt head off. Trying to own an E350 van is rough. Some of its stuff is, you see this doghouse cover? Oh my gosh. And it's cold, so I can barely feel my fingers, but I'm gripping onto it to get this nut off. There's so many fine threads. Now, to put it back is another challenge. Taking it out is rough, but I imagine trying to put it back without it falling into the engine bay. Make sure you have a lot of weird magnetic pickup stuff, because you drop a tool, you drop a bolt, and it's going into the abyss. Well, not that bad. It looks like it can drop to the ground. But, oh my gosh, whoever designed the van is a great idea, but thinking about its maintenance. Okay, so my muscles are tired. Gotta pull my head back. Work on that blood. So you see, that's all you got the room to play with. Imagine changing the valve cover gasket on this thing. That's crazy. Look at all these bolts you gotta get off before you can change the valve cover gasket when it leaks. Ooh. All right, so we're trying to take a bolt like this off, but the third one in. So here we go again. I would highly recommend not being an auto mechanic as a profession. DIY okay, but making money off of cars is a rough business. I guess other things can be rough too. All right, I got that crazy bolt off. So 9/32 fits really good. And a 7mm, for whatever reason, just drips in there. 9/32 fits great out here, but in there it just drips. Strange. I might want to go get like a really pristine one to put back. I mean, I might switch off one of these yeah, you can see how it's already been stripped with these other, so might need to go borrow one of these boys that are out here that are easy to get to, that there isn't compromised. All right, so now let's see if I can get, so you got to really remember this angle. So now when we put it back, I got to put this guy back in the same place in the dark, put this guy back, and hopefully that lines up with that. So there's a lot of challenges, so maybe take a good eyeball at it and remember those angles and put it back just the same, so you're at the similar angle. All right, put the phone down so I can focus.